What's up, guys? So we found a little quarantine project here. We got this old wagon trailer that you'd maybe pull behind a four-wheeler or a lawnmower. And instead of throwing this little thing away, we're going to actually turn it from this to this. So we made a run to Tractor Supply the other day and grabbed a couple cans of this. Now this particular color is actually Ford blue like the old tractors, but this tractor and implement enamel is really great stuff. You've seen Chad use it on his rock sliders, on his Tacoma, but it has so many more uses than that. And we're gonna see exactly what kind of finish we can get out of this stuff on this old rusty trailer. All right, guys, so we got the wagon all finished up here. It did end up taking right around 4 cans of the tractor enamel to get finished, but I'm really happy with the way it turned out. Again, I didn't do any sort of prep work with this. It was all just pressure washer and then straight on with the paint. I did hit some of the areas that still looked a little bit dirty with a little bit of an alcohol and put that on a rag and wiped it all down. But overall, really no prep work, no sanding, no body work. And I think it turned out really great. So again, we used the Ford blue for the wagon and the school bus yellow for the wheels. And actually, when you look at it back here with the four-wheeler, I'm not sure if it shows up on camera right or not, but it actually turned out really nice. But this setup right here is actually the whole reason I wanted to do this. And that's so that my wife, when she was doing jobs around the house, you know, gardening, doing whatever she likes to do, she had an easier way to carry her stuff around. You know, I didn't want her trying to mess with a wheelbarrow or carry 10,000 buckets of water or whatever. I figured this would really be a great way to do it. And overall, it was really cheap. So again, 4 cans of the blue. I did end up using maybe half a can of yellow for the wheels. And overall, I mean, you're talking at roughly $5 a can. I did end up buying a new hitch pin, which did cost a little bit. You can see it doesn't fit exactly right. We'll get into that here in a second. But overall in this project, we have less than $40, and it was a good project for the both of us to get into. Now for the problem I didn't exactly anticipate, this was designed to be used with just a flat sort of trailer hitch design, which you'd find on the back of, say, your lawnmower, your riding lawnmower. And unfortunately, this Can-Am does not have that. I kind of overlooked it. I thought this would be a really easy spot to put a trailer hitch or a pin or a D-ring, whatever. And I think that's definitely what Can-Am designed it to do. But it actually has these 2 little lips that hang down on either side, which I'm sure do make it a lot stronger. But the spacing here is not enough to go over this and still allow the wagon to turn. So we will have to do some sort of hitch extender. We will modify that in a future video. But overall, it still does work. Looks like it's barely hanging on here, but we have taken it around the yard several times, and it does do a really nice job. It still allows the trailer to articulate, to turn left and right, and overall, it will make all of our yard jobs a good bit easier. Now you might be asking yourself, why would you use tractor enamel over just a regular spray paint? And the answer is simple. Again, this stuff is made to be on tractors, on farm implements. It's made to really hold up. However, it doesn't have the grit that you might find on some kind of truck bed liner. It is pretty smooth. It's not fully a glossy finish, but it does go on pretty smooth. And after you get 3 or 4 coats on it, it really starts to even itself out. Now, I really like how this turned out, but the greatest part about it is, we use it, as it gets scratched up, it'll be really easy to apply more coats and get it all cleaned up yet again. So now the reason for this little project is actually I just got married and moved into this new place. We're both really excited about it, and it should allow a lot of great growth for the channel as well. We have an area where we can ride 4-wheelers now, and kind of a community that really embraces that, which we're both really excited about. And it should really be a great opportunity for us going forward. Now, this 4-wheeler here will also be on the channel a little bit. Speaking of 4-wheelers, if you've seen this wheel and tire setup before, you may have seen it on our Razor. We did sell that recently. This is actually my dad's Sportsman 570, but before I sold it, the wheels and tires just looked too good on here not to keep on there. But we will be doing a little bit of a service on this, oil change, belt change, and the like. It's about time for that, and should really help this thing out. But definitely more content coming soon, especially on the ATV market. It's something that we both really enjoy, and it should be a great opportunity moving forward. But thank you all very much for watching. Have a fantastic week, everybody. If you do notice anything on either one of these machines that you do have a question with, let us know. We'll be sure to help with that in the comment section and in future videos, and we really look forward to talking with you down there. Thank you all very much for watching. Have a fantastic week, everybody. We'll catch you next time.